Hello everyone and welcome to House. Looking to buy a home, but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now. In this teaser, we will be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. Lodha Malhar project will be constructed on over 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with each tower of ground plus 37 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming to the location part. Project is located off New Link Road behind Sai Grand Palace in Malhar West with upcoming metro station just 200 meters, D-Mart at a distance of 300 meters, Infinity Mall that is around 600 meters, Malhar Railway Station that is around 2 kilometers from the project. Now the amenities part. As said, project will have 30 plus ultra luxurious amenities with likes of clubhouse, swimming, kids play area, indoor games, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall and many more. Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of the project. Here you can see the 3 towers, Tower A, Tower B and Tower C. Coming to the carpet area. As said, project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK carpet area in the range of 757 and 797 square feet, 3 BHK of around 1031 to 1094 square feet, 4 BHK in the range of 1562 square feet usable carpet area. Let us now have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK. Now let's discuss the booking process. Booking window of the project will open soon. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and payment scheme, and then if the client likes it, they can book by paying a token. This token will have multiple benefits. First, additional discounts. All the token holders will get additional discounts over and above others. Second, preferred inventory selection. All the token holders will be called on the very first day of the launch for the flat selection. Third, 100% refundable token. On the launch day, if the token holder doesn't want to move ahead with the booking for any reason whatsoever, then this token amount will be 100% refunded without any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit. You can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.